Previously this idler pinion spindle bush was loose in the casing, so I went down to Colin at CR Engineering, and he's made up a thin metal sleeve to go round the bush, and it's solid in there now, no movement there. Got the new Les Harris sprag clutch. Get that ready to put straight in, because in the parts book it shows it the wrong way round going in, so I'll make sure it goes in the right way round. And that just pulls out like that. Just make sure the new one goes in the right way round. So the new sprag clutch slips in. There's a spacer washer. Goes on there. Circlips in the groove all the way around. Put this starter gear in before I assemble it. A bit fiddly to get it in. That's it. That's gone in. Now we can the idler pinion back in place. That's it, I've gone over the marks with Tipex, so that's dash, dot and 2 dots at the bottom. That's the valve timing done now. And refit the timing cover now. Some grease around the gaskets. I don't like using silicone on the timing cover because some might fall off and block an oil, so I just put grease on it. Fitted this tool to spread the oil seal when you fit in the gasket. I'll just throw a bit of oil around. Put some in the crankshaft. Let's get this up. A bit awkward with the gear cover being on. it. It's too loud. The bolts, there's a variety of lengths. The longer ones go on this section, the wider section. These bottoms too at this size. You have to get this hole lined up to get the iron bolt in there. That's a very short one. It's the shortest one. Yeah, that's the timing cover on. I'll leave fitting the starter motor until I've put the barrels on, back on, because it's difficult to put the barrels on with the starter motor in the way.